Hello, dear Blooming kids, friends. Good morning. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the sound of consonants double L and double S. The double L here pronounced as sa. Sorry, double L to be pronounced as law. Law, and this is now sound symbol for law. Double L, for double L, this is now sound symbol pronounced as law. Law. Okay, dear. Now here are words, a group of words. BALL, ball. Ball means geda, double L. But pronunciation of double L as law, not law. And this is, it is not so. Right? Double L pronounced as law. Sound symbol. So BALL, ball. Ball means gate. HALL, hall. बहुत बड़ा भवन. Okay, TALL, tall, lamba. WALL, wall, दीवाल. HILL, hill, पहाड़ी, छोटी पहाड़ी. BILL, bill. Bill means bill, note. PILL, pill, टिकिया. KILL, kill, मारना, जान मारना. So here you find double L pronounced as Allah. This is now sound symbol. Okay, next double S pronounced as sa. Here now two consonants, double S, S and S, SS. Clear? Pronounced as, this is sound, pronounced as sa. Okay. ASS, S, sa only. Not this is. No. So here ASS, गधा, MASS, मास, एकत्र होना या द्रव्यमान, क्लास, कक्षा, CLASS, क्लास, कक्षा, and GLASS, ग्लास, शीशा या ग्लास. His, HISS, his, फुफकारी मारना. KISS, किस, चुंबन. MISS, मिस, असफल होना. ओके, और नवयुवती. LOSS, क्षति, नुकसान. Double S. So here dear you find double S pronounced as sa, and this is now sound symbol. Okay, dear, you have seen double L pronounced as law and double S pronounced as sa. Now you have seen, you have heard, you have listened to me. Okay, you have now listened to my pronunciation, words pronounced by me. So try to pronounce these words correctly. In this way, dear, here you may enrich your vocabulary and you may correct your pronunciation. Pronunciation may be correct pronunciation. Okay, dear, I wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks.